What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to update your DJI Mic 2, which I got with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 here, and from time to time there is some updates coming on it and it brings some feature or bug fixing. So let's check it out how to do it right now using your Mac. Also you can do it on Windows or any other device, even with your Android it's available as well. So DJI Mic, that's how it looks like. It's DJI Mic 2 here, and here I have DJI Osmo. Let's open it up and check the current version of the firmware. I updated once. Let's first connect it. Go to the settings, wireless mic. Turn on the microphone here. Okay, it's connected. Monitor volume. What does it mean? Okay, let's set it to 100. LED, vibration, audio video syncs here, 32-bit recording, format, transmitter, and the version finally. So the current version is 4.2.1.13. And as you see here, the latest version available is 4.5.1.11. So that's the latest version, which was released in August 2024. And let's download the PDF file and check it out, how it looks like, what the changes. So here we have optimize equalizer settings for fuller and brighter sound. Fix some known issues, previous version fix some known issues, and I have 2.1. Again, fix the transmitter, not switch the Bluetooth, and actually here is my version. It's quite old, from 2023. Just some bugs fixing, so I skipped 2 versions, and currently let's update it. So what you need to do is open the DJI official page here, download center, find Osmo Pocket 3, or I will just add this link in the comments below, firmware here, and you need to download this firmware available here. I already did it, and actually I have my cable here. So Type-C cable. Let's put my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 outside. Connect it by USB-C. Connect it to your Mac. Okay, it's connected. Now let's open it up. It's called No Name here. And then you just move what you just downloaded to your DJI Mic. So you check it out here. DJI Wireless Mic 2. Copy it, and then just safely eject it, otherwise it may be some error, so just do it. Okay, let's click force eject. Don't know why it's asking. Now let's check it out. Disconnect it, and now you see it's blinking, so meaning that it's flashing now, changing the green and red. Need to wait a bit until it will be over, so let's wait. Alright, it's done. So it's blue again. Let's go back to our DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and check it out. So yeah, we have the latest version 0.5.1.11, which I just showed you. So basically it's pretty simple, takes around 2-3 minutes to update. And following this guide, you will improve the quality of the recording of your microphone. Alright, that's basically pretty much it. Thank you much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.